everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I've got some happy mail. I've received the last of my prizes from the Granny D challenge in May and I've also got a small yarn haul from Deramores. So what shall I do first? The Deramores. So as you all know, which is I'm doing this pattern, this jumper pattern for Rick for Christmas. So I needed some yarn, and I know my hubby and he loves his greys, and I got this Aran. It's called Ash. Let me see if this one. So I've got 2, 4, 5, 2. I got 10 skeins, and it does say can't even open it now. I've got butterfingers. Right, for my Rick, I would need 8 100-gram balls. So I got 10, just to be on the safe side. I'd rather have too much than not enough. So let's see if I can get into it. Oh God, it feels so soft. And you all know I love Deramores yarn. It's 100% acrylic, it's made in Turkey, 40-degree wash, don't iron, and cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, 5mm needles or 5mm crochet hook, and it's Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling Aran, and the colour is Ash. So I'll do it here and you can see. So I got that. I didn't get much, I just got them because I knew I wanted this. And I got, and then I got this, the Wanderlust. This is Shepier's, and this is another of my favourite yarns. And this is called Vermont, and I want to get some sweaters made for myself for, you know, for the winter. And this is called Vermont, and that is lovely and soft, and it is actually 100% acrylic, would you believe. There's a nice halo. I'm not sure if you can see the halo, but I love the autumnal colours. So we've got greens, we've got mustards, we've got creams and browns. So I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this one yet, but oh, I never told you the yardage on this, did I? Let me see what the yards are. 180 yards on this. So I've got 1,800 yards, which should be plenty for a sweater for Rick. And then this is this is 100 grams, 232 meters, which would be about 250 yards, and it's a 30-degree wash, no wash, don't iron, 4mm knitting needle and a hook. And yeah, so I've got 5 of them, so I've got plenty for a nice sweater for myself. So that's all from that I got from Deramores this time. So I've not decided on what sweater I'm going to make for myself yet, but we'll see. There's a nice one that I've seen on Crystals, and there's also a nice one that I've seen on Jeannie's from On the Hook Crochet, but I like, because you all know I'm suffering with my power surges, so to speak. I don't like full length sleeves, so I kind of want 3/4 length, so we'll see. Now, I'm going to show you what I got from Granny D. The lovely Granny D. So, oh, just bear with me a minute, I've dropped. Right, okay, so, Granny D told me that the last two ladies had sent my prizes. So, the first one is off Hook Me Up Crochet. Oh, sorry, I've knocked it again. Silly me. So, Hook Me Up Crochet with Christy. And this is what I got. These lovely, lovely stitch markers. Look. Look at them. Little hanks of yarn. Aren't they amazing? I don't know how she does it, but wow. Aren't they fabulous? So I got them off Christy in this lovely little bag. So I'll pop them back in there so they're nice and secure. Let's see. There we go. So that's that. And then the next prize was off the lovely Jolene. And I got, whoa, look at them. This is Burnett Velvet Stripes. It is to make that cushion cover. Can you see the pillowcase? I'd need two. It's called Hemlock Shadow, bulky 5, hand wash, 100% polyester. This is at 300 grams. How many yards? 315 yards, and I've not got one. Oh, there's a different pattern on it as well. Not two. Not 3. Let me see if I can get that wrapped around. Oh, that's the centre. Oh dear. No, it's not the centre at all. There we go. So I've got 3 of these. I got 4 of them. So, thank you so much to Christy and Jolene. Thank you. And then I got, where's the card? Oh, I got a Granny D said she'd pop something in for me. So she sent me this card, which is You're a Blessing. Hey, sweet Linda. This yarn is from Jolene, and the little hank charms on the stitch marker or stitch markers are from Hook Me Up Crochet with Christy. I threw in a few more goodies. Hope you enjoy them all. Love you, Granny D. Well, I love you too, Granny D. And thank you so much. Thank you. Didn't need to do that. So, off Granny D, remember when V did it? V went to Hobby Lobby and she showed these. Well, I've got my own. Look at that. Isn't that super duper? Oh, I've got my own notions bag. And then I got this in it as well, which is called Chenille Needles, assorted needle sizes. And I can put my tapestry needles or darning needles, as we call them here in the UK. So, and that can go right in there. But then she sent me one of these, which I was so envious, and I got one. I'm so thrilled to bits. So, didn't I do well, ladies and gents? I did amazing from Granny D's challenge. everybody who donated to her challenge. Thank you so much. The prizes I've received has just been amazing. So thank you to each and every one of you who donated to Granny D's challenge. I really do appreciate it, and I have received them with so much happiness and joy, and you've just made my day. So that's all from me for today. Just a quick simple video. Just wanted to share with you my happy mail and also my small Deramores yarn haul. So I'll leave it there. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.